Hey guys, so I'm sitting here in my first gen Tacoma. My quarter window latches are broken, as you can see. Very easy fix. I bought these aluminum ones for like, I don't know, $4 on eBay, super cheap. They come with this little punch tool here. Just gotta knock out this pin, put the new one in. Let me see if I can set this down somewhere. So, like so. I usually keep a mini sledge in here, but I'm too lazy to go inside and get it. So, there we go. Oops. This little pin comes out, seems to be multi-directional, doesn't matter which way you put it in. The big side goes out to the latch like so. Start the thing back in the pin. Done. And then just do same exact thing with this one. Be careful, make sure you brace it probably so you don't break your window. It might be smarter to take it off, but just be careful, and it's really not that big of a deal.